This is a message from Norway. Norwegian. We are watching closely the news about the European crisis, and we don't like what we see. The euro cannot die, because if the euro dies, we will all die. We will all die because of the euro. And the Norwegian oil money will cause a lot of problems for us if the euro drags it down. So please do not listen to propaganda. Don't ever think that the euro will die, because it will not die. It will kill itself, and it will kill the whole system, and the fear and the mass manipulation from the media. The fear is going to take us all. And we will still live after that, because if it all collapses, the human will still stand up. The human will still stand up and fight for the freedom, for the victory, for us, the human population, because we will always survive whatever catastrophe that hit us in our lives. Thank you. Bye bye.